Well, Dr. Chris Wamalwa. Got something?
Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Right Honorable Speaker, all protocols observed. On behalf of my family, the people of Trans Nzoia County, Your Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, we bring condolences to your family and say pole sana for losing your dear mother. I know your mom loved you so much. We didn't know your mom, but from the Bible, the book of Matthew 7:20, the Bible says, a good tree will be known by its fruits. Through your mom, we've known you with good virtues of humility, accommodating, and tolerance. We know very well that your mom had wished to see you as the president of this country, but unfortunately, God has taken her. But we are going to pray for you. We have no doubt, as the Luhya nation, as the Mulembe nation, you are the senior most and do not walk alone. We are praying for you, and as we go back home, Honorable Ladwa, you are from ODM, and I want to send you to Baba, that Honorable Musalia is bereaved. He lost his member of parliament in Matungu. So for the spirit of handshake, tell Baba to withdraw the candidate of ODM from Matungu constituency. As a Mulembe nation, we are praying to be united. We've been a laughing stock for so long, and also it goes without saying, even in Kabuchai, that's a seat for Ford Kenya, and Your Excellency, the Deputy President, will request you to withdraw your candidate so that the spirit of handshake, you leave this for the Kabuchai seat. As a Luhya nation, we've been a laughing stock. In fact, we are not number 2 in this country. God has rewarded us when it comes to reproductive activities. Now we are number 1 as far as population of this country is concerned. So come 2022, we want to form the government with others or on ourselves. Thank you, Your Excellency, and we're going to pray for you. Thank you and God bless you.